In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide with manage.wix.com and www.itochads.com. We'll walk through opening your Wix site, creating new pages, naming one of them Highlight, navigating between pages, and publishing your changes. Keep your Wix account ready, and if the interface looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. The options and wording are the same or very close. Start by heading to your Wix account at managewix.com and go to My Sites under My Account. Find the site you want to work on and choose Select and Edit Site. This takes you to the site's dashboard. From here, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Inside the editor, open the Site Pages and Menu panel. This is your main hub for creating and managing pages. Click Add Page, then choose Blank Page. A new page will be created with a default name. Rename it by typing Highlight as the page name. Clear, simple names help you spot pages quickly later, and you can always change them again. When you're happy with the name, click Done to confirm. If you need additional pages, repeat the process. Click Add Page and select Blank Page as many times as you like. Each new page can be styled and named later, but for now, we're focusing on getting the structure in place. Now, select the page you just named Highlight in the Pages panel so it becomes the active page in the editor. If you see Highlight in your page list, click it there. If it also appears in your site menu, click it there too to ensure the editor switches to that page. The goal is to have the Highlight page open and ready for any future edits. When you're ready to switch views, use Navigate within the editor to jump between pages. From the list that appears, choose Sample Page. This lets you confirm that your navigation works and that the sample page is still accessible alongside your new pages. Once you've finished these changes, it's time to make them live. Click Publish in the top right. Publishing pushes your updates to your live site. If you'd like to preview before going live, you can always use the preview option, then publish once everything looks good. A few quick tips as you finish. Keep page names short and descriptive. Use the Pages panel to reorder pages so your menu reflects the structure you want. And remember that you can adjust each page's settings later for SEO and visibility. That's it. Your pages are created, named, navigable, and published. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next walkthrough.